What's up, Motorheads? Welcome back to the channel and stop everything. The name you haven't heard in years is back, and it's fully hybrid. This is the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude, and we've got the world premiere right here, right now. Buckle up because this is not your grandma's hybrid. That's right, an icon has been reimagined. Honda is bringing back the legendary Prelude, and it's a full-blown hybrid coupe designed for the future. This isn't just a nostalgia trip, it's a statement. A timeless coupe design with a unique personality that's exciting to drive, yet sophisticated and refined. It's a rare blend of sporty performance, comfort, and hybrid efficiency that you just don't see anymore. This is the car to get excited about. Just look at this thing. The Prelude is sleek, sporty, and packed with personality. We've got a low, sporty coupe stance that screams performance. Up front, you're greeted with sharp, full LED headlights. Check out that sleek fastback profile. It flows from that low, purposeful bonnet all the way to the slick, double horizontal taillights. And completing that aggressive, athletic stance are massive 19-inch alloy wheels. And get this, high-performance Brembo brakes. This thing has a road presence, whether it's flying down the highway or parked at your local Cars and Coffee. It's a sport coupe, totally reimagined for the modern era. Now, let's slip inside this gorgeous cabin. You settle into body-hugging leather seats designed for comfort on those long drives. You grip the perfectly contoured D-shaped steering wheel, and your eyes land on the fully digital 10.2-inch driver's display. Everything you need to know is right in your line of sight. The interior is a mix of soft-touch materials and stylish finishes. On select models, you'll even find these awesome blue stitching details. It's ergonomic, it's driver-focused, and it screams GT comfort and style. This is a place you'll want to be. Okay, let's talk about the heart of the beast. The Prelude is powered by Honda's next-generation EHEV full hybrid system. That means a 2.0-liter petrol engine works with not one, but two electric motors. In everyday driving, it's primarily the electric motors that power the wheels, giving you instant, silent torque. The petrol engine mainly acts as a generator, so you never ever have to plug it in. It seamlessly switches between pure electric, hybrid, and engine-only modes. And the performance? How does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 8.2 seconds sound? The max electric motor power is a whopping 184 horsepower. This is hybrid power without the compromise. You get multiple drive modes: Comfort for a relaxed ride, GT for long-distance cruising, and Sport mode that sharpens the throttle, stiffens the suspension, and makes the steering super sensitive. And for the ultimate control, there's an individual mode to set it up just how you like it. But wait, there's more. Honda developed something called S+ Shift. It simulates virtual gear changes, giving you the feel of a sports coupe. And for you purists, yes, there are paddle shifters on the steering wheel for manual control, complete with performance-inspired engine sounds. This is a shift in performance, literally. So, with all that power, what's the damage at the pump? According to the latest WLTP tests, the Prelude achieves an outstanding combined fuel economy of 19.2 kilometers per liter. That's incredible for a car with this much presence. Its CO2 emissions are just 117 grams per kilometer. You get the thrill without the guilt. Staying connected is a breeze. In the center console is a 9-inch Honda Connect touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pair that with the available immersive Bose audio system with 8 speakers, and you've got a rolling concert hall. There's wireless charging for your phone and dual-zone climate control to keep everyone happy. And get this, you can control your car from your sofa with the My Honda Plus app. For the first 3 years, you get a complimentary subscription to remotely lock and unlock your car, use your phone as a digital key, get security alerts, and so much more. Your Prelude is always in your pocket. And of course, it's packed with the latest Honda Sensing safety suite. This is a performance car that's got your back. We're talking a collision mitigation braking system that can automatically hit the brakes if it senses an imminent frontal collision. A road departure mitigation system that can gently steer you back into your lane if you start to drift. An adaptive cruise control that works even in stop-and-go traffic. A lane-keeping assist system, and a cross-traffic monitor for safer reversing. There's even a driver monitoring camera to keep an eye on you. It's a comprehensive system designed to let you enjoy the drive with total confidence. So, the million-dollar question, how much? While final pricing for all markets is still to be confirmed, expect the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude to be positioned as an attainable, high-tech sports coupe. We're anticipating a starting price that will make a lot of the competition very, very nervous. This is the return of a legend. The Honda Prelude is back, and it's smarter, more efficient, and more exciting than ever. What do you guys think? Is the hybrid Prelude the comeback story of the year? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this premiere, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full in-depth review when we get our hands on one. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe and drive fun. See you in the next one.